is my hometown. Be able to return to put an office here is just like, it's a big deal. It's a big day.
All right, so we've got our conference room, which we're excited. We'll have a TV up there. We've got chairs coming in, so it'll be nice and cozy in here.
Like, our firm is known nationally, but we really started in Enfield.
Most importantly, we got our fridge delivered just now. So, you know, we've got a nice little kitchen. We've got our fridge coming in. We'll be quiet. We'll sneak in and use our offices.
Betsy's from Enfield. Allison's from Enfield. Angela's from Enfield. Kristen is from Enfield. And Heidi lives in Enfield. So as we were looking to expand, this was home. And this felt like coming home. And it's just it's a huge thrill to be back here.
So we've got one office over here with 2 desks. And we've got the same on the other side.
We have wanted to open an office in Enfield for years. That's always been a vision.
But yeah, it's nice and cozy and quaint. We're excited for it.